How to reactivate pages that are scheduled for deletion. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reactivate your Facebook page if they have been scheduled to be deleted. Now, to do that, you have to make sure that you do that within 30 days of your deletion. So after 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. So first thing, head over to your menu section and tap on the settings. Now, what you want to do is scroll a bit down until you see audience and visibility. And from here, you can just tap on pages. Now here you see an option to reactivate your pages. If you don't have any pages scheduled for deletion, I don't think you can see this option. But if you have pages that are scheduled to be deleted, you will see this. Tap on view. And here will be all of the deactivated pages that are scheduled to be deleted. Now tap on reactivate and it will switch back to your page, and you should be able to reactivate it just like that. And now my page has been reactivated. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.